Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at HOUZZ PRO. What contractors and designers need to know. So I have here a list with different pros and cons, so we're gonna start with the pros. Now as you can see, all-in-one platform, so offers mood boards, 2D, 3D planning, proposals, invoicing, CRM, scheduling, advertising, and QuickBooks integrations. Strong visualization tools, so 3D dollhouse floor panels and augmented reality guided layouts are praised for client presentations. Tier starts at $85 up to $200 per month, and you also get a 30-day free trial. Now, the cons, as you can see, lead quality inconsistent, so many professionals report poor or spammy leads, predatory contracts, so auto-renewal traps, difficult cancellation and denial of refunds are frequently flagged. Cost versus ROI concerns, so raising rates and unclear pricing, value perceived as low for many small businesses. So these are some pros and cons for HOUZZ PRO. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.